chopsticks, and I got it from Primark. And the Primark, yeah. Okay, now we are unboxing it now. Okay guys, I opened the first one. This first one says that, so there is flavors. Let me show you the first one. The first one was pink. The first one is pink. I didn't know that was pink because I didn't open this yet. And it's candy floss scented. I will test it out. Pretty nice. It's very smooth. It didn't even go out my like mouth. And this is the other one scent. It's pineapple scented. Let me test that out. This one is red this time. It's a good color. Guys, I little bit don't like it because it's a bit crusty, but the most is good. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!